Well, firstly, thank you for your patience. As always, I always appreciate it. So, two things happened. One, I serviced this UFO. The movement looked pretty good. I did actually find a number of problems wrong with this, including, if you remember, the chronograph wheel. I was able to repair that. But it actually had a number of other problems that were that I had to cure. I wasn't actually expecting much because it looked so good, but I ran into a number of problems. I'll find it. I'm going to send you all the parts that I did with this. But, so, original handset that I restored and reloomed to match your dial here, which I loomed. It was not previously loomed. This is the aftermarket dial. So I loomed this with my special ammonite powder loom. I replaced your Seiko logo, which was really funky looking, with a good original. I tinted that. I cleaned your case. I cleaned your bracelet. It's all serviced and ready to go. I haven't actually tested this so much. Look at that. Read that thing at night. Anyway, it's doing really well. I'm very happy with it, and I hope you will be too. This was the custom build that I did for you. You had specified you didn't want a safe queen. You wanted something that looked good, that you could wear every day and didn't have to worry about. You specifically wanted this aftermarket dial, and which I got for you, and also the this is the Psychosis dial and handset and ring. And they look really, really, really good. The quality is really good. This is an original case with original brushing. I chose a case back that matched the case. And again, it's original. This is one of the new aftermarket asymmetrical fish bones. They're bigger on the top than the bottom, which is what this was supposed to have. And it's full length. And this one also is doing really super well. I am proud of both of these watches. And I hope you will be too. I put a ridiculous amount of work into these. Because you'd think that, it's just a watch, you put it together. But when you're working on stuff that was, in this case, a little bit built from parts, and it's had some indifferent care over the years, I've got to go back in and comb out all the tangles. It just takes a lot longer than you think. Same thing for a custom build. Oh, by the way, these are also, these are original hands. All of these are original hands that I put on for you. And of course, it's an original 6138 movement. I don't know. I don't think there's much else to say. It was a lot of work. That was a lot of work. That was a lot of work. You'd be amazed at the little things that takes all this time to make correct. Boy, the light in here is just terrible. Whew. I can't believe, sorry. I cannot believe that I'm done with these, but I'm super excited, ready to get these back to you. So that's about it. Thank you so very much.